Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the Honorable Miss Novena Ferawati, the Honorable Ladies and Gentlemen, the Happy One. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rihandaini from 4th semester at Akhir Alba. Okay, this time I will make video about how to breathe deeply and cope effectively. Selamat menyaksikan. Tools preparation. 1. Pillow. 2. Warm water. Tissue. Sputum pot. Okay, next. Environmental preparation. Maintain patient privacy. Next, patient preparation. 1. Explain the objectives and procedure to be carried out. 2. Position the patient sitting in a chair with relax. Next, step by step. 1. Washing hand. 2. Put pillow on the patient lap. 3. Encourage the patient to place both hands on the pillow. 4. Encourage the patient to inhale slowly through the nose and exhale through the mouth. 5. Encourage the patient to hold his breath for 2 to 3 after the last deep breath. 5. Encourage the patient to hold his breath for 2 to 3 after the last deep breath. 6. Encourage the patient to cough strongly using a stomach and respiratory musculus. 7. Prepare post-sputum. Instruct the patient to expel in the sputum pot. 8. Encourage the patient to reset a little. 9. Then clean the patient mouth with tissue. 10. After that, advise the patient to repeat the procedure that has been taught. 11. After that, give warm water to the patient. 12. When it's done, tidy up the tools and patient. 13. Nurse washing hand. Analyze documentation. Maintain privacy patient. Good morning, I'm Nurse Nanda. This morning, I will pre-teach deep breathing and how to call the mother. The goal is to relieve the technique of the mother.
Yes.
5 minutes. Are you willing?
Yes, sister.
Okay, mom, please sit down. Excuse me. Put a pillow on mom's stomach. Then put your mother hand on the pillow. Now take 3 breaths and the last on hold for the second. Then after that, call to introduce, please. Yes, mom.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, mom. Inhale in your nose and exhale in your mouth. Next, mom. Hold on 3 seconds. In 1, 2, 3. You can reset doing something like this and later you reset it. The way I have taught it.
Yes, sister.
Okay. After that, method mother doing warm water. Please, Mom. Excuse me. Okay, Mom. I'm done taking action. I will back later in afternoon at 20 to give mother food. Thank you for cooperation. Good morning.
Morning, sister. Thank you.
Nah, itu tadi bukan pemeriksaan sih, lebih ke cara memberitahu pasien untuk tarik nafas dalam dan batuk efektif. Tujuannya itu agar dahak pasien mencair dan dapat dibuang di tempatnya dan pasien tidak merasakan sesak kembali. Terima kasih yang sudah menonton dan terima kasih kepada Miss Novina Ferawati. Selamat pagi.